One more sum, it will be make more clear the method of UV. You can see I have taken one my example. It is like a illustration number 12, but one or two values I have changed. Okay, see here the values of x and y. X is in the 1.6, 2.2, 1.92 in the same way, and y is 4200, 5200, 6000, 6200. Now I am explaining you one rule. Listen carefully. In every sum we are finding x bar and y bar very first. To see that values are in x bar and y bar in fraction or in integer. But value of x and y is when value of sum are too much higher. That means in more than 500. Once again listen, more than 500,000. Okay, no need to find out the x bar and y bar. Directly apply the formula of UV. Once again repeating, when the x and y are too much large and any value of x or y or both are too large, then don't find x bar and y bar. This is the rule. Take the method of UV. It will be easy to calculate. Now how to find u? Listen, it's important. U is equals to x minus lower value. It is 1.6. Now see, here every number is in point and point is after one digit. So we will make multiply by 10. Okay, why multiply by 10? Because if any number will be multiplied by 10, then point will be broken and number will be a perfect. It will be easy to calculate. So keep multiply by 10. Like 1.6 minus 1.6, it's 0. 2.2 minus 1.6, it will be 0.6. But into by 10, it will become 6. 1.9 minus 1.6, 0.3. Into 10, 3. 2 minus 1.6, 0.4. Into 10, it's 4. 2.3 minus 1.6, 0.7. Into 10, 7. 1.7 minus 1.6, 0.1. It becomes 1. 2.4 minus 1.6, 0.8. Into 10, 8. 1.8 minus 1.6, 0.2. It will become 2. 2.1 minus 1.6, it will be 0.5, become 5. So if we will make a multiply by 10, if the point, all the numbers are in point, then it will be easy to calculate. Now v is equals to y minus smaller number, and same as per rule. See, all the number are divisible by 100 because 2 0 are common. So also make divide, it will be easy for calculation. 4200 minus 4200, 0. 5200 minus 4200, 1000. Divide by 100, 10. In the same way, we will get the values 18, 20, 19, 7, 17, 8 and 25. Now u square, v square, uv. U square, square of all u. Then v square, square of all v. Then uv, multiply of u and v. Then making summation of these 5 columns which are useful in using formula. Summation. Putting the value in the formula. N is our 9. Now 9 digits are there. Sigma uv 611 minus sigma u 36, sigma v 124 upon under root 9. U square is 204, u whole square, that is 36 whole square, into n is 9, v square is 2212 and v whole square, that is 124 whole square. Making multiply, as you know, which are doing in last 3 sums. We are doing from last many sums. Calculations are as usual as we are doing. then making deductions, then again making multiply of both under roots digits, then making root of 15564.3785, and our answer will become 0.85. Okay, so sorry, the answer will be 1035 divided by 1564.3785, 0.66. sorry, answer is 0.66, as our answer is common between -1 to +1. So I think you understood how to find main u and v, and in this sum we have discussed that when the values of x or y are too much higher, then directly apply the method of u and v. No need to find out the x bar and y bar. I hope that you understood. If you have any doubt, then please call me and contact me. Okay, thank you very much.